Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can easily translate words on Google Sheets. So I'm just gonna write down this formula, equal sign, and then select Google Translate, select the cell, and then comma, and type in the language the word is in, and then comma, and then select the language that you want the word to be translated in. Press enter. And then you're just going to apply it to everything, and that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you find this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.